severe thunderstorm warning for north central Riley County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Potawatomi County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Marshall County in northeastern Kansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Ellsberg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Westmoreland, Blaine, Frankfort, Olsburg, Randolph, Wheaton, Tuttle Creek Lake, and Lillis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm